Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change Amazon's country setting. It's pretty simple. You want to go to the person looking icon at the bottom of your screen, and from over here you can see the option called your accounts at the top. Click on your account. From over here scroll a bit down until you see the option called your addresses. Click on it and all of your addresses which you have saved is going to be shown over here. Now since I've only saved one address, it's only showing me one. But if you have saved multiple addresses are going to be shown over here. But what you want to do is click on edit right beside the address which you want to change, and from over here you can select whichever country. So at the top it says United States. I can click on it and change to whichever country I want. After I change it, I need to fill this form up correctly at the bottom. Once I fill this form up, I can click on save changes and my changes will be saved. And that is how you guys can change your Amazon's country setting. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day and bye bye.